If you're thinking of staying at the Marcan Beach Hotel, this video is for you. I'm outside the front, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little walking tour. I've never been here before, so what I'm gonna do is show you what it's like if you wanna stay here for your next holiday in Oludeniz. So as you can see, straight away we've got the reception area. We walk through. Oh wow, that's nice. We've got some wings. If you're here, you can take an Instagram picture. That's quite cool. But yeah, so I've never been here before. Let me know if you're staying in. I did ask first how you say this, so it is pronounced Marcan. I thought it was Marcan or Marcan or something, but it's Marcan. So we walk out, got a big area here, snack bar, restaurant. So if you're gonna be, I'm imagining this is like a bed and breakfast place, but you can possibly have dinner as well. You've got a massive area here, all the buffet. So I'm imagining, especially in the morning, this is going to be all full of lovely food ready for you to eat. You've got your juice machines, your coffee machines, your tea machines, and then at the back here you've got your station for cooking, which I imagine that's where you can get your omelettes from, fried eggs, and yeah, it's nice. It's really quiet, like in a good way. It's really peaceful. It's just to let you know, it is currently the 6th of September, and it's 5:30. So here we go. We're going to come down now. So you've got a little bit of a seating area here. You've also got. It looks very friendly for if you've got a mobility scooter, wheelchair. So for disabled access, it looks pretty good as well. And then we come down, and we've got the pool bar area here, which looks really nice actually. It's quite a big place. The pool bar. Oh, what they got on here? They said they got a barbecue night, Thursday evening, fire show, belly dancing. Oh, nice! From 8 o'clock. So one person's £20, and you're gonna get barbecue, you get entertainment, so you can actually stay in your hotel as well. Let's have a little look around. So that reminds me of old school Turkey, that does as well, because they don't really do that too much, like have entertainment in the evening at like the sort of smaller hotels, because there's so many bars now. But as you can see, you've got a beautiful backdrop as well with the mountains, and you've got all the pool area here. It looks like you've got another little kind of bar bit here, but I don't think that probably gets used too much. I will try and see if we can check a room out, but obviously I just turn up with these videos just because I want to make it really like natural and organic. But yeah, as you can see, so many different buildings, like different blocks of where you can stay. And obviously you've got the big main pool here as well. And so it's 5:30, and there's still some sun in the pool, which is very good. I don't know where I'm going, but you can come with me. We're gonna have a little look. You got obviously some down ground floor apartments as well. Some more rooms down there. I don't have a clue where this is taking me. Oh, okay. This is going to be. Oh, okay. So you can come through here. You've got some more rooms down that way. And if we come up here, looks like there's some. These might I don't know. These might be like the VIP places. But as you can see, actually, it lets you see now a bit more of the strip. So the strip is right there. You got Cherry Pub, if you know Cherry Pub. No, actually, no, it's not Cherry Pub. You got Asda right there. Cherry Pub is at the front where we walked in. Now you definitely will remember where you are. I don't know where this is taking me. It might be a little bit of a dead end. Yeah, well, as you can see, this is like the corridor for obviously to take you down to rooms. Really like echoey, big, spacious, nice. So if you're staying up there, I feel like they're like probably the, more premium rooms, because every hotel has different style, like standard of room. Let's just go this way. Let's see where it takes us. I don't have a clue where I'm going. There's more rooms in there. It's a nice building. And come along. And you've got access to the pool that way. I don't know where this is taking me. I think this is just, access to more rooms, to be fair. Probably can walk around this way. Just gives you a little bit of a feel of how big this place is. Really, actually, it's quite wide. It looks like it might not be too much of a big hotel, but actually, this is cool. You got a little seating area there, and then you got some chickens. Hello, 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 doggy. As Mashtag would say, if you know who that is. But yeah, guys, if you have stayed at the Marcan Hotel, let me know. Drop a comment. If you're thinking of staying here, let me know. Because I do find a lot of people find these videos are very helpful. So also, please do subscribe. Click subscribe. I've got loads of videos on Oludeniz and Hisaranu. I've also got videos on places in Thailand where I go. I do this as like a hobby really, but I'd love to get into it more. I'm a singer, so that's what I do. I release music, so you check the links, check the description link, and you'll be able to like check some of my music out as well. Yeah, I've got lots of different things, but this is something I love doing because I love going on YouTube and just like watching videos and and seeing you know, what does the hotel look like. I've just booked, or I'm thinking of booking. So yeah, I pretty much walked all the way around here. So I'll give you one last nice view. This is a nice little seating area a bit up here. But yeah, as you can see, this is the Marcan. It's just gone 5:30 and this is what it's like. So it's really chilled. The music is not blasting. People are just relaxing, enjoying their holiday. So yeah, really nice hotel. So like I say, guys, let me know if you have stayed here, are you thinking about it. Let me know if this video has helped you out at all. I will ask. Shall we ask him? I'll ask. Let's ask. See what he says. I don't know if I can find a gentleman. Shall I ask him? Go on, I'll ask him. I'm nervous now. I'm going to ask him. Mahaba. Mahaba, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. Hello, my name's Jamie. How are you?
Fine.
Nice to meet you.
Jamie.
Nice to meet you. I'm doing a video.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You are, I think, Instagram phenomenon.
Yeah, I go on Instagram, YouTube. What's your name?
Ahmed.
Mohammed. So are you the boss?
No, I am in front office manager here.
So you're very important then. You're important.
Yeah,
man.
of course.
Of course.
All reservation and all accommodation.
Oh wow. Well,
yeah.
this video is going on. It's for YouTube. So people that want to look for your hotel, Marcan, they can have a look and find this video.
Okay. Well, shall I take your? How can I see it?
I'll give you my details, my YouTube. But is it possible? Is there any room available for people to see the room?
When?
Like, have you got an available room now?
Now, yeah. I can show you now. Okay.
All right. It's just so. I do lots of these videos, and people say it helps them to book the hotel.
Okay. Let's
so
go.
I want to help you, yeah. All right, there you go. You don't ask, you don't get. Let's go. All right, I love it.
Where are you staying?
Sorry?
Are you staying here?
No, I'm not staying here. No, I'm staying at but I come here all the time. And I have a good Turkish community.
Okay.
So lots of people.
Where are you staying now?
I'm at the minute. This time I'm staying at another hotel. It's the Blue Lagoon. But just because it was just what was available, I took my mum here for her birthday. But I like to see all the hotels. So
Okay.
So next time maybe I stay here. This is nice. This is cool. We get to see what the rooms are like. So if you're still with us, you're in for a treat now. To be fair, I'll probably put the title saying full tour and room view. So this is one of the rooms. Wow. Oh, lovely. Wow. So this is what a room would look like. So this is like is this a family room?
No, just standard room.
Standard room?
Standard room.
Wow.
Yeah, you can go to also balcony.
Yeah, of course. Let's have a look at the balcony. But yeah, you've got a fridge. Oh, yes. Very good. You got the fridge in there as well.
Yes.
Very good. That's very handy. Got the fridge. You got wardrobes behind the door here as well. Do you have a safe?
Safe at reception.
At the reception. Yes. Okay, so you got safe at reception, and then let's see what view we've got here. Oh, here we go. You got a table for two, and you got these views. Look how nice this is. This is lovely. Really nice. Yeah, it's just very nice room. You got air conditioning as well. Yeah. You got even a sofa. Very nice. Let's put that back.
Showers here.
Shower, yeah, of course, very important. Yeah, before you go out and hit the strip. So you've got lovely. So you got your, of course, you got your toilet, you got your lovely walk-in shower. Also, hairdryer, very good, very important. And you also leave you lots of toiletries as well. So you've got plenty of things in here. Very nice, very nice room. I'll just show you the wardrobe as well. So just to see, you've got lots of space. So you've got plenty of space in here, and you even got a little bit more space as well. So yeah, so if you bring in a lot of stuff, you got somewhere to store it. Teşekkürler.
Rica ederim. Teşekkürler.
There you go, and you can see he's a lovely man as well, which is very nice. So yeah, and so you've got the mountains right there, and you're right on the strip as well. You're literally right on the strip. So thank you very much for showing me.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. I hope lots of people will come and stay at your hotel.
Give me your YouTube details.
Yes, I will. I'll give you my details, and you can check it out after this. But I will. This will go on. Say, it will go on YouTube, and then lots of people normally will be. Hopefully, people will be watching this, and they will be. I see lots of people. They like the recommendation. You know.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, it's very important. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we're coming back through. But this is the Marcan Beach.
Marcan Beach.
Look at here, I know, yeah.
Yes.
I know, we need to get a little. Hey.
Like angel.
Yeah, like an angel, exactly. Yeah, but listen, if you are going to stay here, I hope this video has helped you, made your mind up. If you already booked it, I hope this has made you feel happy. Like I say, you've got the Cherry Pub right there. The strip is right here. You're literally on the strip. No excuses, and the beach is literally a 3-minute walk that way. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out all my videos. I've got walking tour videos of here, the nightlife, everything. You can check out my music if you really want as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.